Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Engine Valve Cover with Gasket. This engine valve cover with gasket works on BMWs from 2007 and 2013 when equipped with the N51 or N52 engines. These inline 6 are commonly found on the 128, 328, 528, 530, X3, X5, and Z4. For a full list to make sure this fits your BMW, check the listing or reach out to us. What your valve cover does is it seals the top of your engine while protecting it from the elements and keeping oil inside. Meanwhile, the gasket rests on the engine under this cover, which creates a tight seal which maintains oil pressure inside your engine. Over time, the original BMW valve covers and gaskets are known to crack or break, which will result in a burning smell around your engine, or you may even have visible oil leaks around the valve cover. You can also incur pressure issues, which would create misfires. While this valve cover with gaskets is not a genuine OEM part, they do have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it was designed to be a direct replacement, thanks to the factory design and OEM mounting locations. However, this was redesigned with robust plastic to withstand extreme temperature conditions and includes all new gaskets for the spark plug and, of course, the valve cover itself. Installation of a valve cover gasket might be something you could do yourself. First, remove the engine cover and coils, then remove the bolts and lift off. Make sure you fully remove the existing gasket before installing a new one, and bolt down this new head in a crisscross pattern at the right torque specs. If you have any questions about this replacement valve cover, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.